Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Smartphone Family History with Chris Knudsen. Today, we are doing a look at the new Family Search Get Involved app that just dropped, and let's go ahead and see what it's all about. So, this app is going to replace most indexing with Family Search. It includes historical records like immigration papers and birth certificates. You can help people learn investigating and valuable insights about their family. The problem is many of those insights are locked away in documents that are not easily searchable. Family Search Get Involved provides simple tools to unlock the family names in those documents so they can be searched online for free. So basically what you do is they give you, let's look at this picture. They give you a picture of a written document, could be any type of handwritten document with names in it, and you have to decide whether it's the right name. And they give you a choice of looking at 20 names, 30 names, or 50 names. They tell you how many names you've been working on and completed each month or each week. And it basically lets you select what country you want to pull records from to look at. So there's lots of South American countries, and I usually pick the United States because I know how to read English. Okay, so let's go ahead and download this. Okay, it's ready to go. Let's open it up. And I already have a Family Search account, so I'm going to click the Sign In button. And let's get started. So here we have Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Guatemala, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Puerto Rico, and United States, Uruguay, and Venezuela. So I'm going to pick United States. And I'm going to click Review Names. So it's going to pull up a document here. And it wants me to decide what this name is. Isaac L. So I'm either going to hit the Match button, the Edit button, or Unsure button. Isaac L. I'm going to hit Match. And Van Son. I'm not really sure what that says. I'm going to click Unsure. Helmig. I'm unsure. Van Wagner. That looks like Van Wagner to me. So I'm going to click Match. Lucas I. That looks like a match. Van Sam? No, I don't think it's Van Sam. But I'm not really sure what that would be, so I'm going to click Unsure. That's definitely Richard P. I'm going to click Match. And that looks like Cooper to me, so I'm going to click Match. Isaac L. I'm going to click Match. Van Son. So this looks like a signature. Isaac L. Van Son. And to me, that looks like Van Son. If I was going to be asked again, I'd say it's Van Son, S-A-U-N. It's more clear in the signature than was in the documents written by the lawyer. So I'm going to take away the E, so I'm going to click Edit. I do not see an E at the end of that, and I'm going to click Done. Let's click on Samuel. That looks like a match. Van Wagner. Yeah, that looks like a match. So there's this little, oops. Oh, I didn't know you could click back. There's a back arrow if you want to go back. I'm just going to click Match. Van Wagner, I'm going to click Match. John J, I'm going to click Match. Van Wagner. That looks, I'm going to put an O on there because instead of W-A-G-E-N-E-R, I'm going to say O. So I'm going to click Edit. Wagner. Done. Halmagh. That looks right. I'm going to click Match. Van Wagner, I'm going to click match. Samuel, click match. Van Wagner, match. John. Van Wagner, I'm going to click match. Okay, we are done. It's asking us if we want to, we can do 20 more names. I'm going to click maybe later, and we'll stop there. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and download this app from your app store and get yourself started. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.